My name is Chris. I'm a lead system engineer at a higher education institution, and I give vCenter Server a 5 out of 5 rating. Before arriving at vCenter Server, I have used and evaluated products like Hyper-V, Oracle VM, and KVM, and they do not have the same feature parity that vCenter Server has, so we have moved away from uh, software like those and in favor of vCenter Server. We chose vCenter Server over some of the other software titles because of their feature set. They're best in class in virtualization management, things like snapshotting options, vMotion, storage vMotion, and it gets us into a larger ecosystem with other VMware software titles that allow you to do a lot more management. But vCenter Server is kind of that um, uh, platform that you got to build on, and it has the features that we need and does them the best. The integration and onboarding of vCenter Server was, I would say, one of the most user-friendly. It is not a whole lot to get started. They make the implementation of vCenter and connectivity with your vSphere hosts straightforward. The installation process is pretty straightforward, and to make it so that others can help manage VMs in vCenter Server. The not only is the user interface really friendly and easy to use, but it has API integrations where you can then plug in outside third-party software to help you manage and do things like backups and replication. You can use their APIs to write your own code if that's something your group wants to do. And yeah, just the accessibility of their of the software, how programmatically or in a user-friendly way is a really straightforward process to get started and implemented. If you are thinking about implementing vCenter Server, my recommendation is to look at the features that you get with vCenter Server. You'll notice that they simply have best-in-class features. Look at the different methods of implementing things like data stores, data store clusters, the features for dynamic resource scheduling, and their networking features that allow you to do a lot of creative things that will fit your environment. And my recommendation is just compare that with other vendors and see how they do it. And I think you'll notice that vCenter just gives you that flexibility, and their product is able to actually do what they say it will do, and they will give you, at least I believe they'll give you a pretty lengthy trial if you just want to implement it in your environment, see it, use it, and work with it. And I think going that route, you'll see right away the benefits of how they do virtualization management over some of the competitors. So that would be my recommendation.